So this is a cheap Chinese-made pellet rifle, and I believe it's called. It goes by a lot of names. At this point, it's kind of a generic term, but I believe they're just called a B3. I think there's everything from a B1 to a B4 at this point. I believe the one I got is a B3. So, but one of the reasons I got this was because not only was it cheap, but it really is I think it's beautiful looking. It's got a nice, beautiful wood stock. And I believe it's made in the same factory that Norinco firearms are made. So it has a lineage to the Chinese SKS, which I have one of also. So it looks like, oh, here we are. Here is the instructions. So it is the model B3-3, as I believe. I think that's the one that I got. And this is a piston-driven pellet rifle. And I got this one in 22. And I know a lot of people suggest getting it in 177, but I really just have a hard time seeing 177 as anything other than target shooting. And I kind of want to possibly use this as an impact. So, alright, so there we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so there we go. And as you can see, boy, the wood is, boy, it really is beautiful. These generally run for about $70, $70 to $80 or so, something like that. And one of the reasons I got this was because even if it breaks, I plan on using the stock for something or another. Ooh, look right there. Looks like kind of a gouge right there. Or a, not really a gouge, more of a scrape. Kind of makes me wonder. This was obviously new though, because it was sealed when I got it. I don't think there's any way this could be a return, so I'm assuming that's got to be a manufacturing defect right there. You can see clearly it says right there, made in China. There are iron sights on it. So those are the back, and then there's the forward sights. And I was told that I thought maybe these ones, new one had fiber optics, but no, it doesn't look like it, so maybe this is the B3-2. Anyways, it is charged by pulling down the handle like so. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I can. If not, it couldn't be too hard. Don't want to dry fire it, although I'm sure it would be okay. Anyhow, not the greatest wood on the inside there. But again, what are you going to say? These are, and there's no safety on this either. So, looks like a little bit of gouging in the wood right there. Looks like a small crack, and I did see in some of the other discussions about this other people did have them. This one, not anywhere near as bad though. Some of them were really bad. They had gouges here. But anyways, I plan on building this up. I've got quite a bit of stuff I got for it already. I have this I'm going to put on it and then scope it. So I can put Picatinny rail on there. What else have I gotten for it? Okay, so sorry for that. I've gotten they have a authentic as a cheap Chinese sling for it, as well as AK/SKS Sling sling studs, or whatever they call them there. So I kind of aim to make this out into sort of a, like I said, kind of a, I don't know, old worldish, SKS-ish type of pellet rifle. It is heavy. It is very heavy, which means it's kind of positive. It means it should shoot fairly well. I've got this scope for it. This is just a cheap 4x30 scope. This is meant for like a 22 or something though rifle, so I don't know how well it's going to do on an air gun, but we shall see. And what else? This part is I got some of these here. These ultra heavy 22 pellets. I'm going to test these out, see how well those do. And this is something of a, I don't know, I guess I'm going to kind of set it up as something of a survival-ish rifle, pellet rifle type thing. But, you know, other than the few markings here and the little gouge/crack in the stock, I don't think I came off too bad, because I've seen some were really bad. But I know some people would be pretty upset about this, but for the money you're paying, I don't really think you could expect that much, and being that these are seriously mass-produced, you know, you're lucky at the quality you get. But for what you're getting, a solid wooden and metal rifle, something like this made by, you know, someone like Crossman or Gammo, would cost, you know, $200 to $300, something like that. And these are fairly easy to fix. So we're going to do another video on the work I'm going to do with these. But I'm pretty satisfied. The wood, like I said, the wood's beautiful. I really like it. I'm going to deck this out and see what we can do with it. See what kind of accuracy and such we can get out of this. All right, so that's it. More later on.